Hi. Today I am here to discuss just to have a observation on differences between the conventional surgeries as well as the laparoscopy surgeries actually. So actually there are certain advantages are there in conventional surgeries. There are certain disadvantages also there in the conventional surgeries. Again there are certain advantages also there in laparoscopy surgeries, as well as there is a big disadvantage also there in the laparoscopy surgeries. So step by step I will be discussing. Now for example, when I was an MBBS student, and those days where I was an MBBS student, even far more than that, before that I mean to say, everything was done in conventionally. A big incision was given in the abdomen wherever the surgery was supposed to do, and the pathological tissues were taken out, and then the patient has to go with a big scar on his or on her abdomen. But now since everything has changed, modernization has taken place in all field. So now the surgeries also, if in this field also the modernization has taken place. Those conventional surgeries now are being slowly being taken up by the minimally invasive surgeries, what I mean to say laparoscopic surgeries. Now in those conventional surgeries where the patient is to be given a big incision, so patient is to go with a big scar after discharge from the hospital. If you compare the pain, the patient is to have severe post-operative pain. If you compare the mobilization part, then early mobilization was really difficult in those conventional surgeries. So these were the really disadvantages with those conventional surgeries. Now if you come to this laparoscopic surgeries, what I mean to say minimally invasive surgeries, now if you consider first point, pain, in this minimally invasive surgeries pain is very less. If you compare mobilization, is very early is possible because the patients are left with a small scar in her abdomen or in his abdomen. And then if you consider the household activities, office works, these are very early possible in case of minimally invasive surgeries if you compare those to those conventional surgeries. Now the only disadvantage what is left with these minimally invasive surgeries is the cost. Because here in minimally invasive surgeries, those gadgets which you are using, for example harmonic, for example bipolar, for example endomet, all these things are really a bit costlier if you compare to those gadgets which you are using in conventional surgeries. Because for example this harmonic forceps if you are using in minimally invasive surgery, it is cost around 18 to 20 lakhs. Whereas in conventional surgeries we don't use even a single instrument which costs more than 3 to 4 lakhs. But considering this as cost as to be an important decisive factor in case of laparoscopic surgeries, but certain advantages which I have already spoken, like for example mobilization, like for example less scar, like for example less morbidity. So the cost factor gives a big disadvantage if we compare those advantages in respect to laparoscopic surgeries. So to conclude, what I mean to say that though the laparoscopic surgery is slowly taking out the part of conventional surgeries in our nowadays in medical practice, days are not that far when everything will be taken up by laparoscopic surgeries in comparison to the conventional surgeries. Thank you.